Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to localize audit trails in BoldSign. The Multilingual Audit Trail option in BoldSign allows account administrators to generate audit trails in the signer's preferred language, with the English version. Currently, BoldSign supports audit trails in 15 languages. It's important to note that the audit trail for a single signature request can only be generated in 2 languages, English and the signer's preferred language. If multiple signers are involved in the same request, they must all share the same preferred language with English to ensure consistency in the audit trail. This feature not only facilitates clear communication, but also enhances the user's overall signing experience. Consider a scenario where a legal coordinator in a law firm needs to send a signature request for a contract to a client from Germany. To facilitate clear communication, first, the legal coordinator must find out the client's language preference to send the signature request in German and ensure that the audit trail is also available in German. Consequently, the legal coordinator has converted the file attachment into German, making it more convenient for the signer to understand and complete the agreement. Let me demonstrate how the legal coordinator would do that in detail. The first step is to access the BoldSign application page. I expand the Settings menu and select Business Profile. This action takes me to the Business Profile page. Only the account admin can access this page. I scroll down to the Generate Multilingual Audit Trail section. There is a note stating that the translation is for reference only and is not legally binding. It is machine translated. Both parties agree to be legally bound by the terms and meaning of the original document in English. In the event of any discrepancy or change in meaning, the English version shall prevail. I enable the Generate Multilingual Audit Trail option and save my changes by clicking the Save Changes button. The changes have been successfully updated and will apply to all users within the organization. When a signature request is sent to a signer using their preferred language, the audit trail document will be downloaded and categorized into 2 languages, English and the signer's preferred language. Please note that these changes will not apply to previously completed documents, as the audit trail for already signed documents will only be downloaded in English. In our scenario, the legal coordinator needs to send the legal contract form to the client for signature in the client's preferred language. Let me demonstrate how to do that. I click Create New and select Create New Document. This takes me to the Prepare Document for Signing page. I have attached the legal contract in German, and I upload it by clicking the Browse button. In the Add Recipient section, I add the client's details and change the client's language to German in the Language field. Once done, I click Next, which leads me to the Configure Fields page. This is where I set up the form fields. I drag and drop the required form fields onto the document. I check my changes once and proceed to send the document out for signature by clicking the Send button. The signer will receive the signature request email in German and can proceed to sign the contract, with all actions, instructions, and form fields translated into their language. Once the signing process is completed, the downloaded audit trail will be categorized in the standard English version and the signer's preferred language. In this case, since the sender has specified German, the audit trail is also in German. The table of contents includes links for both languages. When I click the German View Page link, I am directed to the German Audit Trail page. As you can see, the content is in German. That summarizes how to localize the signature request and audit trail in BoldSign. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.